good, that active track. It does work. Not figured out how to get out of it yet. So here we are at North Pier. I'm going to go inside to see if it sounds any better indoors, the microphone. Yes. So if I start talking now, it should pick up my voice on it. You see it's very quiet in here at the moment, so 10p machines. That's Turtle Bay, that. It's pretty good. Quite liked it. So still bouncing around, and we'll just see how the audio comes out when I've completed this. Hurry up now, I'll do a bit of a jog. Very good. Yeah, still on a wide angle lens as well. So I might try it without that. I do like the wide angle lens. Purists will say it distorts the edges of the pictures, but for me I think it's great. You get more in, if you will. No, they're not. Very cute. It's really good, this, because points straight where you want it to go. Yeah, I'll have a look when I get back and see how it's turned out, because this is bouncing up and down pretty ferociously, if I'm honest with you. So, hungry gull. Go up here. Yeah, I'd be really interested to see how this turns out. It'd be a proper first test of it to see how accurate it is. Yeah, I'm getting used to speaking to myself, and I don't think people realise what the setup you've got on it, so yeah. Just go up there, see the top of the church. Yeah, that's pretty good. Back down again. Yeah, back on a level. Sun keeps popping in and out, so we'll see how the colour tone is as well. I mean, this is going to be filmed in D-Log M, so that is the 10-bit colour. So it's very, very good quality video. And Cedar Square. I mean, yeah, you can wear this on your body. I'd be very interested to see what the movement's like on it. Jesus. Just stick my head in Abingdon Street Market. See what that's like. So it's just having somewhere to rest your thumb as well. Just constantly talking just to see how the microphone is performing. So inside Abingdon Street Market, what was now a food court, as you can see. Yeah. Right. So there's some nice stuff here. Just going to have a look at the bar, see what that one's like. Quick zoom past. Good times, good friends. Yeah, It did look like someone I know him. So back outside again, so the volume probably changes again and the tone, but there's not as much wind now. I'm blocked from the wind because of the buildings. So yeah, I'm going to go into Sainsbury's and get a bit of shopping in there. Oh, you can hear them gulls. Look at that one there. What? What's up with you? What's all the noise about? Eh? So I don't know why the gimbal then just started tilting that way. I didn't do the settings on it for it to go that way. DSS 7-storey office block. So how's it? Yeah. And we're heading back now to Sainsbury's and the car park. Oh, they're building walls here for entrances and laying down curbstones. So yeah, they're getting there. So yeah, it's just over 15 minutes. I'm going to knock it on the head now.